You absorb an infinite number of essential phrases, but you mistook the thief for your son. Do not desire the spoils you see today. Look to the past for important lessons to remember. A father who is duped into treating a thief as if he were his kid. Be wary of being deceived by lies. A single blunder might lead to long-term regret. Keep this in mind, and you will not be left out. Kindness from regal kings and queens. Continuous prayers will do no help or harm. A straight journey from earth to heaven for you, shared with all the grace and blessings you have received. Heaven's bestowed gifts and graces. Everything will go well and be auspicious. Heaven's benevolence should never be forgotten. To express your thanks, you should burn incense and pray at all hours of the day and night. Heaven and earth combine to form all life, where all species flourish, grow, and survive. Be amazed by life's uniqueness and variety. Thank the saints for everything nice in your life. Heaven and earth unite to create life. Everything is fortunate, and there is no danger. Everything is linked, just as the heavens give life to everything. Understanding this will bring you both prosperity and goodwill. You'll have a lot of luck. Competing worthy opponents. Indecisive on the black and white board. A single move can determine the winner. Keep an eye on your opponent's movements and be aware of your own. Two formidable opponents are pitted against each other, much like two chess masters. The victor will be the one who is on the lookout for opportunities when the opponent makes a wrong move. Seeking what you desire will be like playing chess. You must plan and strategize to win in the end. The gentle and kind will triumph against the powerful and violent. Kind deeds will be rewarded with tremendous wealth for the family. Whatever drew this lot, magnificent wines will quench your thirst. Tenderness and kindness will attract peace and assistance from prominent people. Piety will sway heaven and earth. Never forget the kindness and compassion that heaven has shown you. Maintain your current way of life. Steel your heart, but do not produce evil. Wait for assistance to arrive. A withered tree's flowers will bloom anew. A withered tree bloomed once more. Things will fall into place on their own. Maintain the status quo. Nothing will go wrong if you don't change anything. Things will fall into place eventually. Any movement now might spell disaster. Luck arrives to provide you with both position and prosperity, as flowers are sewn into a silk brocade. Honor and fame can never be delayed. Passing an imperial exam allows you to extend your name beyond the 7 seas. Adding flowers to a silk brocade elevates an already excellent fabric. Everything will be exceedingly fortunate and beneficial. Your time to succeed will come as you wait for the old to give way to the new. This is your ambition and destiny in life. The partridge will convert into a rock. The rock is an enormous bird frequently mentioned in legends. In the autumn, it flies up with tremendous excitement and cheer, soaring high beyond the sky, beyond the grasp of most other birds. A partridge is reincarnated as a rock. A significant shift will bring enormous wealth. A partridge is converted into a rock, which is unsuitable for all birds. Pluck a limb from the holy tree, and your prosperity and fortune will naturally expand. The cold of winter turns the water into ice. Why do we crave fame and glory? It is best to remain silent and reflect. When the leaves grow back, everything will be evident. Ice forms when cold water freezes. Achieve, not try to obtain or do anything beyond your ability. Cold water solidifies into ice. Water is formed as ice melts. Heaven determines the success of any strategy or scheme. Sail wherever you want over the world's lakes and oceans. The ship moves forward. It sails up high. A strong wind will herald it. The hull of a ship is stocked with valuables. A ship that is traveling in good wind, everything will work out for the best. A life of convenience and comfort. Even with minimal effort, you will receive a great deal of wealth. This is a fantastic opportunity.